loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be quickly reviewing the Mamaearth Uptan face scrub. Now this was sent to me, but you know that on this channel each and every review is 100% honest, come what may. So though this was sent to me, I had tested this out thoroughly and have my 100% honest review here for you. So if you want to know more about this product, then please continue watching. So let's come to the packaging of the product. The actual product does come in this kind of squeezy tube packaging, and it does have turmeric as well as walnut in it and is for tan removal. So the product is paraben free, SLS free, dermatologically tested. It does suit all skin types, and Mamaearth is also certified by PETA as cruelty free, which is a very good thing. Plus they are a plastic positive brand, that is they recycle more plastic than they use. You do get 2 years of shelf life with this product and 100 grams of product, and it does retail for MRP 349, but obviously you can get discounts on Mamaearth, so this is gonna cost way lesser than its MRP. And as I said, this product is chemical free, paraben free, SLS free and all that stuff. Now out of the ingredients which they've listed over here, the main ingredients which really called out my name were turmeric powder, they have saffron, they have walnut beads into it, they have coconut oil, they have niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, while they also have patchouli oil into it, orange oil into it, and saffron, which is really good again. So these are the key ingredients that are being put into making of this face scrub. This does have turmeric into it, which is having great antiseptic as well as anti-inflammatory properties and is being used since years for giving your skin that natural glowing look. So that is the main ingredient over here. Then it also has walnut beads into it, which just gently exfoliate the dead skin cells and removes the dead skin layer from your skin, and it also removes visible blackheads. The next ingredient in this is saffron, which is again really good for your skin. It has antioxidants as well as many vitamins into it, which is good for your skin and gives that glowy radiance to your skin. Plus it also soothes your skin, so that is again a good thing. Plus coconut oil and patchouli oil are good for moisturizing, again anti-inflammatory properties, so you know they are gonna keep your skin moisturized. Talking about how to use this scrub basically, so what they say is you're just supposed to take adequate amount on your hand and then just wet your face and apply the scrub all over your face, and then you have to gently massage in circular motions, concentrating it towards your forehead, nose and chin area, because here are the zones where you have more blackheads and whiteheads. And that's it. Just scrub it for less than a minute and then wash it off with water and pat dry your skin. I would suggest you all to use it once or twice a week, but not more than that, because it is a scrub. Now what was my take on this is that firstly the formula of this is creamy and not a gel based or direct harsh scrub. So it is basically a creamy scrub, so that is again a really good thing, because you know other scrubs just dry out your skin after you've washed them out, but with such kind of creamy scrubs it is really easy to scrub out all the dead skin cells, as well as you're not left with dried flaky skin. So that is a really good thing that it is a creamy scrub. Secondly, it also has a walnut beads into it, which is gonna gently exfoliate and remove the dead skin layer from your skin, and then you know just give you that bright glowy radiant skin. Thirdly, I felt like it does smell really good. It is not very strong but smells like proper uptan and saffron, and I love its smell specifically. Lastly, I would like to say that as it already has walnut beads into it, it is gonna do the job of scrubbing on its own, so you need not apply pressure while you're scrubbing your face. Never do that, because it is having walnut beads into it. So gently, with least to no amount of pressure, just scrub your face and all the dead skin layer is gonna get removed. Also, I felt my skin really soft and supple after I used this scrub, and as I do have a little bit of blackheads right on the tip of my nose and some whiteheads underneath my lower lip, what I felt was it just removed the whiteheads really easily, but the blackheads, you know, it just kind of removed visible blackheads and not all of them, but I'm like fine with them because they're not even like too much, but definitely does do a good job of removing the blackheads and whiteheads as well. So basically, in a nutshell, I would like to say that I do like the scrub because it is doing the job of the scrub. It is a creamy based scrub, it is not very harsh on my skin, and it is suitable for all skin types. Though I myself am a dry skin type, I did not feel you know, all the moisture to be sucked out of my skin after using this, so that was a great point. Also, it did remove visible blackheads as well as whiteheads and left my skin soft, supple and glowy, so that is a part which I really liked about this scrub. So yes, that's it. That was my short review on the Mamaearth Upton face scrub. I hope you guys really liked it, and you can buy these from Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purplle, and you can also get 20% off if you use the code DIARIES20, which is completely a non-affiliated code, just a tracking code, just in case if you want to use it. If you don't, then it's completely fine, I do not mind. And yes, that's it. That was my review. All the product links would be there mentioned in the description, and let me know if you've tried it. Also, I have many other Mamaearth products which I'm yet to review, so let me know what kind of reviews do you want. Do you want such kind of individual in-depth reviews, or just like 10 minutes 10 reviews kind of video? Then I'll do it accordingly. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I'll meet you soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.